Locked inside my head, didn't wanna let you see me break down. Prisoner of the past, I'm not here to ask you for a way out. The waves keep crashing, what would happen if I asked you to stay? Whoa, say you won't let me drown in troubled waters alone. Oh, throw me a rope. Won't you tell me that you're still holding on? Feel the world on my shoulders slowly pulling me under, and I don't wanna push you away. Whoa, say you won't let me drown in troubled waters, drown in troubled waters alone. Storm is rolling in, there's no stopping it, darling, believe me. I've got a tendency to run, and all I've learned from love is that it leaves me. The waves keep crashing, what would happen if I asked you to stay? Whoa, say you won't let me drown in troubled waters alone.
Ons is nou hier so in Port Alfred. Ons het gou ons medication kom doen hier so by die local pharmacy. Hulle kon ons daarom help vir 1 maand. Dis 'n pragtige plek. Hierdie is nou, dis 'n Getuimeer se ingang. En dit is nou laagwater, so die branders is, die plek is nou besig om leeg te loop. Daar is die see. Hierdie is die linkerkantste ingang. Daar's 2 sukkes. Hierdie is die strand. En hier sit Joey, baie gou Joey. Ons gaan nou lekker breakfast eet hierso. En is die pragtigste klein plekkie. Dit is hierdie restaurant. Kiddo's. Dit lyk, dit is baie mooi hierso. Ons gestel.
Won't you tell me that you're still holding on? Feel the weight of my shoulders slowly pulling me on, and I don't wanna push you away. Whoa, say you won't.
Môre. Ons het nou lekker breakfast hier geëet. Heerlik gewees, lekker gesels met die locals daar. Hierdie is Kelly's Beach. Nou so 'n fyn motreentjie hierso. Dis 'n pragtige plekkie. Mooi lekker swemstrand. En daar is uitkykpunt. Maar so oral sulke bankies hierso. Vandag ken ons bietjie Port Alfred. Say you won't let me drown. So op soek na die bekende booby voël of die malgas. Ek kyk nou maar rond vir boobies. Daai is nie 'n booby nie, maar dit is 'n girlie. Sy het seker boobies ook. En ek moet sê, sy maak nogal 'n mooi prentjie vir 'n fotograaf.
Say you won't let me down, darling, when I need you the most. Say you won't let